Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is the first video that you're seeing. Today we're going to be creating this rainbow eye look you see here using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. If you'd like to learn how to achieve this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Hi guys, so today we're just going to be using the Take Me to Brazil palette, and the first shade that I'm going to start off with is this red shade right here, just on the outer corner of my eye. The next shade that we're going to be taking from the palette is just the shade right next to it, this orange shade, and we're going to be placing that on the middle of my eye. And by the way, I'm just using a Morphe M330. Now taking this yellow shade just right next to it in the same row, I'm going to place that on the inner part of my eye. Then I'm going to go in with a Morphe M433 brush and just pick up those same shades and just darken them up a bit. A little tip for this look is that you're going to want to blend the yellow out with a different brush than you blend all the other colors out with, because if you blend the yellow with the red, obviously it's not going to look yellow anymore. So I'm just going to take an M441 brush and blend out this harsh line of the yellow. Okay, now that we have those three colors laid down, we're just going to cut the full lid with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So now I'm just going to take a flat brush that looks like this, and I'm going to take the green shade in the palette just right next to that yellow, staying in the same row. So after I have placed that green, I'm just going to go in with the blue in this corner and take that in the middle of my lid. So after I'm done placing the blue in the middle of my lid, I'm going to go ahead and take the top shade of the purple and the middle shade right here and mix them both together and put them on my outer corner. Once I have those colors placed, I'm just going to do the same thing and pack on the color until they're the color that I would like them. Okay, so now that I have the vibrancy that I want them to, I'm just going to take my NYX matte eyeliner and just do the wing. Okay, so now that I'm done with my eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and pop on this lash and be right back. So I'm going to start on my face. For primer, I'm just going to be using my Becca Backlight Priming Filter. This primer is so good. If you have not checked out my last video where I talked about it just a little bit more, definitely go check it out. It's so dewy. Look at that. So after I prime my face, I'm just going to go ahead and take my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I feel like a My Little Pony. Like, I just feel so colorful right now. So after that, of course, I'm just going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and conceal the high points of my face. Now just taking my Laura Mercier setting powder. Taking my MAC powder. I'm just gonna use this on those areas that I didn't set. Taking a small brush and just getting into those creases of my nose. So now we're just gonna take our angled brush and our butter bronzer and just bronze up the face. I've hit pan. I forgot to bronze my nose, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Blush, I'm just gonna take the Milani blush in the shade Luminoso and just put it on the apples of my cheeks. Taking my Laura Geller highlight, I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my face. Okay, since I got like since I got a lot of powder in my brows, I'm just gonna go ahead and spoolie them out to get that product out. Okay, now time for the lower lash line. Okay, so I'm just gonna take that purple and I'm just gonna mimic what I did up here for my lower lash line. So I'm just gonna take the purple, blue, green, and then do red, orange, yellow. Then taking these shades just right underneath. Now putting mascara on my lower lashes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and align my lips. Okay, for my lips today, I'm just gonna be using a very, very nude color because the eyes are obviously very colorful, very dramatic. So I'm gonna be using the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Sand. Now just setting my face with the MAC Fix Plus. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video today. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked today's look, and definitely subscribe to my channel because I will be posting more and more frequently. And I love to see that you guys like my videos, so go ahead, leave a comment down below, like it, everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys!